Hello and welcome to the session on divisibility test. This is brought to you by Handa Ka Funda. Let's look at divisibility of polynomials for a while. A to the power n minus b to the power n will always be divisible by a minus b. It will be divisible by a plus b when n is even. Very similarly, a to the power n plus b to the power n is divisible by a plus b if and only if n is odd. What I am trying to say is, suppose I have 13 to the power 7 minus 8 to the power 7. Something like this is divisible by a minus b. Also to say it is divisible by 5. However, if I had 13 to the power 7 plus 8 to the power 7, it would have been divisible by 13 plus 8, 21. We can also look at what would have happened if it was 13 to the power 8 minus 8 to the power 8. It would have been divisible by both 5, that is 13 minus 8, plus 13 plus 8, that is 21. And 13 to the power 8 plus 8 to the power 8, that will not be divisible by anything specific. Let us look at how to find out the power of a particular number in a factorial. Say, I am given 100 factorial, and the question is, what is the highest power of 2 which divides 100 factorial? I will repetitively divide 100 by 2. Get 50, then 25, then 12. The remainder, don't be bothered with it. 6, 1. So the highest power of 2 will be the sum of these values. That is 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 12, 87, 87 and 10, 97. What will be the highest power of 3 in 100 factorial? Once again, I will divide it by 3, so I'll get 33, I'll get 11, I'll get 3 and I'll get 1. That is 44 and 4, 48. What will be the highest power of 6 in 100 factorial? Please remember that just blindly dividing it, that method is valid only and only for the prime numbers. For finding out the highest power in something like 6, we need to break it into its co-prime factors, that is 2 and 3. Now I will look at the power of 2, which I know already is 97, power of 3 is 48. The lower of the two will be my answer. That means 100 factorial. The highest power of 6 is going to be 48. Say, let's look at this in a different fashion. Say there are 97 boys and there are 48 girls. How many couples can you form? Well, you can form a boy and a girl. The other boys will be left out. What if it was something like, what will be the power of 9 in 100 factorial? I have 48 3's. So how many 9's will I have? I will have 48 by 2 or 24 9's. How about the power of 18? 18 is 2 into square. So that means once again I will be looking at the power of 3 square, that is going to be lesser, which means power of 18 is 24. How about power of 24 in 100 factorial? 24 is 2 cube into 3. I will need to look at both the powers. 2 cube will mean the power will be, power of 8 will be effectively 32, 97 by 3, and the power of 3 is 48. Lesser of the two values is 32, which means power of 24 will also be 32. That wraps up our session on divisibility test. Please stay tuned at Handa Ka Funda to watch other videos on other chapters.